Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama channel. Welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe for more videos on travel, gardening, and anything about life, especially about seniors. Anyway, I miss gardening, and my sister invited me to Bataan to rehabilitate her garden that has grown really wild. It's just so bad that I didn't take pictures of the before, and I only have pictures now of the after. But as you can see, all the plants have been trimmed, and you can see the pathway. The grass has to be watered some more for them to grow back to its former glory. But we have looked at all the pots and we have cleaned up, and this is the vegetable garden. And when the wind is so strong, some of the trees fall down here, but the sun is so strong in this area that some of the plants that we planted were withering. But that's okay, because they will learn to adapt, or they will be transferred to other places where they can grow. Well, we have rearranged the pebbles which have flown into other areas because they had a big dog that was just playing all over the place. But now I think they gave it away just so they can manage the garden again. Well, it was a tough decision, a lot of tears. And then we replanted so that all the other areas that have become bald have been planted with new plants from other areas. We didn't put in any new plants, just the old plants. And this is how it looks now. We made this new pathway going inside into the small gate because they have now installed a stainless steel gate for both for the car and the pedestrian, and so we had to create a pathway because it was being blocked and people cannot get in and out of the house when the gate is open. And these succulents area has really prospered a lot, and I had to reduce some of them because they were really wild already. But I like this. I love this golden shower tree. So there you go. I got some of the plants because there were so many. And although these golden shower tree has some pets like bees and caterpillars and worms and linta, etc., but we love it, and I think Mel loves it too. We will just continue trimming it so that it doesn't become too wild as well and reach onto the wires. And I'm so happy that this is the first time I'm working on a garden again to rehabilitate the old one that we did about almost 3 years ago. And hopefully I will have another chance to come back and redo it somehow after it has grown wild again. My sister is so busy, and so with her partner and their baby Angel, so they don't have time to take care of the plants except to water, and that was why it has become wild. In any case, I am so happy that I get to do a little bit of gardening. But of course, there is this reward. Shabu shabu for dinner, our farewell dinner. Delicious. Thank you so much. At night, the garden is even more alluring. My sister installed solar lights. Thank you, my dearest sister. Do take care of your garden now. At least water it every day because it's so hot nowadays. And have it trimmed once a month. Then you'll have a beautiful garden again. Bye, golden shower. See you again soon.